Hi. Welcome back to Ma Gurukul. Last time we had done with vowel sound A, short sound of A and the long sound of A, right? So now after looking at the date, I realized that it's been quite a long. So I think this is one main usefulness of writing the date. So we come to know that when we had done the last video or when we had taught the children last, right? So the words there, what we had done was given by me. So today what I have done is I have picked up a textbook of my son. This is his textbook. He is in class UKG. So this is for children who are in UKG. Of course LKG and UKG children can do it. And if the children have not learned phonics, class 1 children can also go ahead and do with this. Alright. So I have clicked the photograph of these short sound A and put it along with the video. And I have clicked this the sounds for the long sound A and put it in the video again. Alright. So we have short lines, that is one line stories or one line sentences for the children to help them encourage in reading. Alright. So even this I have put. The video will be in the smallest version on the topmost part, and what I would request is you can mute my audio after you see these ones. Listen, make the children listen to it once, and after that mute the audio and let the children read these words for you. Okay, so let's get started. Started again with reading these short A sounds. Can you now recall and tell me what does the short, what is the sound of A, the short sound of A? A. Correct. So let's get started then. B, at, bat. B, ag, bag. B, add, bad. F, an, fan. K, app, cap. K, at, cat. R, ag, rag. D, add, dad. M, an, man. G, app, gap. H, at, hat. T, ag, tag. L, add, lad. P, an, pan. O, app, lap. M, at, mat. W, ag, wag. S, add, sad. R, an, ran. T, app, tap. F, L is a blend. F, L is a blend. So it will become fl. Fl, at, flat. Fl, ag, flag. Again, g, l is a blend. G, l is a blend, and the blend is gl. Gl, gl, add, glad. V, an, van. Now again, cl is a blend. K, l, cl. K, l, cl. Cl, app, clap. So these are the short A sound.
Sat on a mat. She had the hat.
Slowly. It's not some. It's not. Can you read it?
Some.
Kairav, please wait, Kairav. Please split the word s and am is
Am.
yes, so it will become
Sam.
Sam. Correct. Sam.
Sam sat on the hat.
Correct.
The hat on the mat is flat.
Very good. So the long A sounds. Now remember we had done in the previous phonic ones that magic E, right? What was magic E? When A and E start walking together, A does all the talking and E becomes silent, right? So remember, whenever the word ends with E and if there is an A with one alphabet in between them, one or two alphabets between them, then A becomes the long sound, right? So we had done so many examples, right? Rate, cape, cane, and etc, etc. So apart from these, so these are the words again in the textbook now. So let's go ahead with these. So can you see E here, right? So it becomes gr and apes, A, not apps. So it will come apes, grapes. Okay, sn and ache. A again is A. It's not ack, it will become ache. So snake. K, ache, cake. Pl, ate, plate. G, ate, gate. T, able, table. Okay, T, able, table. So grapes, snake, cake, plate, gate, and table. Right? So these are the long A sounds. Hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and it will keep me motivated. Please do press the bell icon and make sure you get the notifications. Otherwise, probably you might not know when I've updated the phonic videos, right? Thank you so much and bye bye.